Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So my wife bought me a new RC toy, so we are going to get this thing unboxed, get it out of this box and see what's inside it, and go from there. So it's a little too big to put on my camera stand for now, so I'm just going to unbox it and then put it on the table and come back. Okay, so there we go. I picked it out. I actually got the white one. And my wife bought it for me. So thank you, babe, for buying this for me. Appreciate it. And I got some overdrive gears for it. And I got a little bit of brass from Amazon for it as my Christmas present, which is cool. So I'm just going to tear it out of the box, put it on the table, and then we'll look over it real quick. I know it's been out there for a little bit, but stay tuned. All right, there we go. Got it out of the box. This is like my first Axial C-channel rig. I've never owned an Axial except for the Capra. And the Capra was not really a C channel, so look at the mirrors to move and bend and stuff, and that's kind of cool. Cool little bumper, cool little sliders. Not a big fan of the sliders because of all this here. We'll have to eventually change this. This is gonna be like my I'm gonna run it. Probably gonna change the tires and wheels right away, or a couple things. But it's gonna be like my comp. We do like a C channel comp here, and it just needs to be a C channel chassis. And then from there, it's sky's the limit. You can do whatever you want to your rig, pretty much. So this is gonna be my little starter. I'm probably gonna take all this off, maybe leave this cage on here for now, just to make it a little bit lighter up top. I kind of like all the mirrors and stuff on there. We'll probably leave all that kind of stuff on there and just run it with that. Eventually maybe get some different bumpers or something like that, smaller. But for now, we're just gonna kind of leave it. Do a couple mods on it here and there. Let's see what's inside. I saw a little bit of oil on I don't like how these are. I'm definitely gonna pull this off so I can get to the body pins. I can't even reach them with my big hands. They're so hard to get. Yeah, you can feel that's heavy. And that piece is heavy. You can feel how heavy it is. How heavy this body is. Wow. What is this? So this is IC3. So those will probably be cut off. I'm gonna try to leave this on here for a while. Someone says they're hitting the panhard mount. You don't get your full throw, which it pretty well goes to the end there. So I'm probably gonna do some maybe Rock Pirates shock mounts down the road. Get rid of this boof. Maybe put the battery up here. Just run a small battery up front. Get a little more weight up there. I'm gonna mess with it a little bit, tweak it. I'm gonna try to get all this weight up front here. Maybe get rid of this. We'll see. I'm gonna mess with it just a little bit, and then go from there. You know, test it, move a couple things, test it, move a couple things. But yeah, this is I wanted the portals is what I wanted. I needed the portals, and I wanted this to one side or the other, you know, not down the center. So, and I have the element, and they're right down the center, and the belly hangs up on everything. You know, this is kind of, we'll have to mess with all this stuff, but I mean, just see any links, but we'll mess with all that stuff. We'll upgrade eventually down the road. It's going to be one of those upgrade here and there kind of rigs, you know. But for now, it's just going to be, I wanted the portals is what I wanted it for. And that's what, even the tranny's a decent tranny, I think. So we'll have to mess with that. It's, yeah. We'll probably change that out, get a little bit, something a little faster. Like I said, at first we might just leave everything on there and see how it does the first time out. I was out crawling with the guys before, had San Benito crawlers. The one guy had a base camp and it did outstanding. He did have different tires on it, I believe. He put a little bit of brass on there. Like I said, I got overdrive. And this is like the medium. I think it's 1520 is what I think that is. I can't read it. And they had one more higher, and I didn't want to go too high. Yeah, 1520. So we're gonna go with those. It's a trio, and then I got some brass, just some Amazon special brass, guys. I'm cheap. I'm a cheapy cheap. On a budget. So Injora. We're gonna try those. Like I said, my wife bought those off for me too, so get a little bit of weight up front, because right now watching videos, it was 52-48, so it's pretty even. You want a little bit more weight in the front, so that's what we're gonna do. And then might even leave these tires on. Kind of wish they weren't glued on there. Those look like they'd be decent tires, maybe. But I don't know. We got I got some other tires in there with some good foams and stuff like that in there. We can try. It did show leakage on one of these shocks right here somewhere though. So I'm thinking this one right there. This shock is leaking. I'm gonna have to see if what's wrong with that one. But like I said, that's probably, we won't stay there too long. I wanna drop them down, you know. I have keys right now that I might do and just put the keys back so it'll drop it down a little bit so it's not so high. Just a couple little quick mods. But yeah, this body is heavy. That is a heavy body. Yeah, we're definitely gonna take off the, I don't know about the whole luggage rack, but there's 2 screws right here. Looks like you can take this whole plate off and just leave this roll bar there. Help protect the body a little bit. But yeah, we'll do that. Yeah, that's that thing's super heavy with that thing on there. But it sits up high. I might have to trim we're gonna have to trim the body a little bit here. They were showing, I think. Yeah, see, it's gonna get into the body there. So we'll probably trim that back a little bit. So we're not, I mean, it's pretty close right there. I don't see it. Oh yeah. Yeah, it hits a little bit. Trim that one back a little bit. The back seems to be all right. The front bumper hit too. They were showing the front bumper hitting. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, so we might trim that front bumper back a little bit too. We'll see. Like I said, it's gonna be a work in progress, guys. So there you go. That's my base camp, and it does come with the SLT3, which I'm probably gonna leave on there for a little while because I don't have any other receivers for my good controllers yet. Extra screws or something. I don't know what those look like, little light pods or something on those ones. I wonder if that's what those are. Little light pods you can put on something. And I guess it comes with this little gear piece right here, so you can do straight axles in the transmission, and it run you if you wanted to change the straight axle, you can do that. That's what those are for. So, and then we'll cut that EC3 off of there and put it what are they? XT60 on there. That's all my batteries for crawling that I have. So yeah, we'll take that off of there, unsolder it, throw it in the bin in case emergencies, and get rid of that for now. Put the battery there for now. You know, I just have little batteries, so I think I'm gonna do a little plate. I see guys doing little plates here or there. It's a little higher up here, but it's a lot more forward bias, and I won't have to buy more brass for a little while, you know? If I put a little battery up there, it's only a tiny bit of weight, so. Yeah. So there you go, guys. It's gonna be my new trail, or not my new trail rig, but my new C chassis comp rig, okay? That's what we do out here. It's kind of a pretty lenient, you know, you can do pretty much whatever you want to do to your truck, which makes it fun. So, you know, everybody can do whatever they want. And then, yeah. So, all right, guys, sorry for rambling. Just trying to catch up on things that I'm going to do. I'll probably do a little video on installing these, just because I haven't been doing videos. So I'll do that so people can see how to do that. Maybe different tires. I haven't decided yet. These are pretty light, so it'll help get a little weight. Maybe take this off in the video or something, you know, do something like that. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and stay tuned. I've been getting into the crawlers a lot, so I got a couple other builds coming up that are going to take a long time. I'll build them piece by piece maybe on those two. So you'll have to wait on those ones. When I get the parts and pieces in slowly, I'll show those off. And that way I can start building them up. Okay, so like I said, thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, and y'all have a great day. And don't forget, crawl over the curb, not into it.